Befanini are traditional Tuscan cookies, particularly from the Versilia area, that are typically prepared during the Epiphany period. They are spiced sweet treats that are usually decorated with icing and colored sprinkles. Ingredients: all-purpose flour, 500 grams, sugar, 200 grams, butter, 120 grams, eggs, 2, plus 1 yolk for brushing, milk, a tablespoon, grated zest of 1 lemon, rum or anise, 1 shot, optional, baking powder, 16 grams, salt, a pinch, colored sprinkles or sugar crystals for decorating. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the flour with the baking powder. In a larger bowl, cream the softened butter with the sugar, adding a pinch of salt until you have a frothy mixture. Add the eggs to the mixture and continue to work until fully absorbed. Add the grated lemon zest and, if you like, the rum or anise. Gradually incorporate the flour and baking powder mix, alternating with a tablespoon of milk, until a homogeneous dough is formed. Roll out the dough on a floured surface until it is about 5 millimeters thick. Using Christmas-themed cutters, cut out your Befanini and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush the surface of the cookies with a beaten egg yolk to give them a shine. Decorate the cookies with colored sprinkles. Bake for about 10–15 minutes or until the cookies are lightly golden. Let them cool completely before serving. Curiosity: Befanini are linked to the folklore of the Christmas and Epiphany holidays, and it is traditional to give them to children as part of the gifts that the Befana brings on the night on the new January 5 and 6. Every family has their own traditional recipe with small variations, which is passed down from generation to generation.